Currently 40 east southeast Lloydminster, descent through 8,000 field, 10 minutes. How's that, Ed? That's good for you. I'll just go left to the authorities, and we can have a look at it on the 55. Or Shotgun's come overhead at 35. Looks like a bullseye. I had the camera going, so we'll come around and have a look. Mine was good. We'll check your start point. Good job, guys.
It's very well coated. Very well coated. This will not burn. This is the grass. Like, this is directly behind the tree that I just showed you. And as you can see, even behind the tree, the velocity when it goes around the tree, it actually hooks around the tree and covers the grass behind it. This is how the product this is where the product shines. A good way to note coverages and compare is to look at the spider webs. Here's the gel right inside the spider web. Yeah, this is well over 300 meters.
Check this out.
Oh yeah, look at that. Oh man. Look at that. That's huge pooling, and we must have gone at least 300 meters. Oh, look at it here. Like, there's no way that will burn. See, and that's where you get your direct suppression. Right there.